What it do is Hush Mode, aka Danny Daytona, aka the White Wesley Snipes and the pair of pit vipes, aka Bartholomew the Blunt Blower, aka the pistol packing drug addict, the bags on his mama. We out here about to blow up this mannequin, y'all. About to blow this mannequin up. We got my boy Moose on the rifle, the pistol disciple.
Fire in the hole.
Fire in the hole, the butthole.
Uh-oh. I'm out.
Damn. Boom. Boom.
No more Kamala.
I think it's pirate. Kamala got split. Yeah, dang.
Let's see what happened to the golden hoe over here. She was thoroughly exploded, y'all. Thoroughly. Look, even crack the booty. Look at that.
Jesus.